Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about cravings. Many a times we feel like eating too much of sugary food or too much of salty food. Why these cravings are caused? Let's talk why. The first reason is you have been always used to having sugary foods like sweets, biscuits, chips, baked foods, pastries. You eat them on regular basis. So whenever you are idle, you feel like having these more and more. So restrict these foods and going for fresh cut fruits or salad vegetables. Second, too much of salty foods. We feel like having too much of chips, namkeens, papads, pickles all the time. We crave for them. This means our body is definitely having high blood pressure and we need to go and give a checkup for ourselves. Take a checkup and see whether your blood pressure is low or high, and reduce the intake of salty foods, again going for freshly cut fruits, vegetables, or less calorie foods like wheat crackers or makhanas or diet mixes or some dry fruits in limited quantities. Third is caffeine. Many a times we crave for tea, coffee or carbonated beverages because we want to stay awake, we don't want to fall asleep. But these drinks make us crave for more of them, and in the long run they take away our sleep. We do not take proper sleep, we do not fall asleep properly. So instead of having too much of tea, coffee, caffeine induced drinks, carbonated beverages, going for fresh fruit juices, going for coconut water, buttermilk, lemon water, or fermented drinks, which will definitely give you probiotic energy and also vitamins and keep you more full, more hydrated, and give you a lot of nutrients rather than only caffeine. Third, you might be having low blood pressure or high blood pressure. This also causes cravings in our body. So what we need to do is go and definitely take a checkup for our blood pressure, talk to a doctor and take adequate medicines. Fourth, lack of physical activities. Yes, whenever we do not exercise, we sit in one place for too long, we watch too much of gadgets like mobiles, our televisions, laptops, internet, serials, movies, and we keep seeing them. We do not stop, we keep scrolling. But we also need some kind of food along with it, and we crave for foods like chips, namkeens, or any kind of cookies, any kind of cakes, or some definitely carbonated beverages also, and we keep piling up calories in our body. So what we should do, we should try to be more physical active. After every half an hour of sitting in one place, we should take a 10 minutes of walk, so that balances our physical activity and our mind is also diverted and we do not feel the craving to eat junk food. And the last point is whenever we have lack of sleep. So we tend to keep up late, we always sleep late, we do not sleep on time, and that causes a lot of cravings in our body. Whenever we do not sleep late, we do not sleep early, what happens is our body asks for more food, and that food need not be a nutritious food. We feel like having junk food, packaged food, processed food, and in that process we pile up a lot of calories. So what we should do, we should always sleep on time, make our sleep time a fixed one so that we get up early and be more productive. Hope these tips will help you. Let's meet in another episode of a different nutritional corner. Take care, stay well. Thank you.